Bathroom cabinet is where you can store your essentials for your self-care after shower, like the toothpaste, the makeup, have your brushes, so that it will be easy for you to use when you want to dress up in the morning after having your bath. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be fixing my bathroom cabinet, which is like a long column with small shelves in between. So first of all, I start by unwrapping it, looking at the instructions, arranging the nuts and bolts, the washers, the handle, before I get into arranging the wooden part of it. The flaps are very long. You have the long flaps two sides, then the little shelves in it. So make sure all the items are complete. Count them very well to make sure that the numbers you have on ground is the same numbers you have on the instruction manual. Otherwise, it won't be a perfect job. Then if it's not complete, you look for a shop to buy some of this. So these short woods, they are the top and the bottom bases. These little round woods are fitted at the edges. Using it, you couple the long flap, the two long flap at the side. It will be the ones that will give it support. Then this screw has to be driven into the wood. That is where the bases will sit on. The top and the bottom woods. This bathroom cabinet is a long column with small shelves in between that can hold little things like makeup, toothpaste, brushes, and a place to hang your coats or your wigs if you actually use one. I can tell you for free that this bathroom cabinet is very functional. There's no mirror attached to it, so it's not stylish. It's simple, very affordable, and highly functional. Fixing it, I cannot say it's very easy because it has long flaps. It's a long column, so the flaps, the wooden on the sides are very long. The door is also long, so it's not what I can fix while standing it up. The best way I could do that was just to lay it on the floor. I laid everything on the floor, fix the inner shelves, tighten the nuts and bolts, make sure that the shelves are strongly fitted so that it doesn't give way. It doesn't collapse when I start loading my things on it. Actually, I bought it so I can declutter some things. Yeah, women unload. Yes, I know, but now I try to keep it simple, keep it minimal, remove the things I don't need. That way I have a lot of space. I have enough space to put my things. So this one, I'm decluttering. Yeah, I'm removing some things I don't need. Yeah. So that's the reason I have it, so that I'll be able to arrange my things very well. I love this bathroom cabinet because of how functional it is. There are other types, the ones that are very stylish. There are some of them that sit over your toilet with several shelves. There are other ones that are bigger than this one that takes up more space, which I don't want because my bathroom is very small. I don't have enough space, so I'm trying to economize some things. Now, I'm trying to tighten the nuts and bolts of the hinges. If you don't couple it very well, the door will collapse and you wouldn't want it to collapse on your head. So you have to tighten and fasten your nuts very well in such a way that even there's any pressure, it doesn't collapse. Because one thing I noticed about these cabinets is that if you don't tighten the hinges very well, if it wants to spoil, maybe after 1 year or 2 years, it starts spoiling from the hinges. You see the door falling apart, you see the flaps giving way. So make sure you tighten your nuts and bolts very well. And when you fix the hinges, adjust it very well so it doesn't spoil from there. So let me know what you think about this video. Do you enjoy it? If you enjoy it, give the video a like, comment, put your comment in the comment section, share the video with family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.